Hi guys. They say huge journeys start in small steps. And today I'll show you how to start playing the C major scale, how to start understanding the guitar, and to get to the point where you can make up melodies like these, simple melodies. So anyone can improvise, anyone can learn, and even if you're really starting on the guitar, I'd like to show you how logical and simple the guitar is when you look at it horizontally. So first of all, let me play C major on a single string. I'll start on C. I'd like you to notice some very important features of the C major scale. It mostly has whole steps, which are two steps on the guitar. But after some notes, there's a half step. So let me go through the notes and observe the amount of frets. So a whole step is 2 frets from C to D, from D to E, 2 frets from E to F. That's one of those special places. It's only a half step. And from F to G, a whole step. And from G to A, a whole step. And from A to B, a whole step. And from B to C, a half step. So we see that the scale C major, which you can imagine as like the white keys of a piano, is mostly comprised of whole step, half step, whole step, half step. And all you need to remember really is when to use that half step instead of a whole step. So let's do it again in time. C, D, half step, F, sorry, G, A, B, and that's a very good beginner step for you, just to play C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, what we call the C major scale on a single string, just like I did. And here comes the actual work of doing this on the guitar. Now the guitar doesn't have an open string that's a C. So let me show you how I would work on this. So each string starts at a different pitch. So on this string I'm starting on E. And remember, you have half steps between E and F and B and C. That's why after E I need to play F. And now what I'll do is I'll play C major on each string separately, super slowly, and I suggest you join me if you can. E, half a step. F, G, A, B, C, D. And it's absolutely still the C major scale, but I simply didn't start on the note C. I'll do this again, starting on the B string, second string. So B, C, D, E, F, G, B. And I'll do it on the third string, starting on G. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And now I'll do it on the fourth string. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and I'll start on A on the 5th string. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Okay, and I'll do this on the 6th string as well, starting on E, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Okay? And playing horizontally like that means I basically learn all the locations that are, we call it diatonic, that belong to the C major scale. And it's also very cool to play horizontally because when I move up, the pitch rises. When I move down, the pitch falls. Okay? And now, here's what I would take as key points here. To build a major scale, you need to follow the formula of whole step, half step, whole step, half step, which means 2 frets, 1 fret, 2 frets, 2 frets, 2 frets, 1 fret. And that's how you get a major scale. And then imagine you now have the guitar, it looks like a piano keyboard where we just highlighted all the locations that belong to the C major scale. I would just start on the 1st string, learn these locations, 1st fret, 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 8th, 10th, and 12th, and then do the following. Here's a super simple backing track: C major 7 and F major 7. And now I will dare to make up my own melodies. There's nothing to be afraid of. Just get some kind of backing track. You can use something like this and simply move your fingers around. And don't worry, if you play a wrong note, that's all right too. Just move half a step up or down. It's gonna sound all right. And don't be intimidated by what you don't know. Improvising is a joy. It's almost a human right. It's self-expression. And really, doing this for such a long time has been such a wonderful part of my life, and really doesn't take a lot except the courage to try and acceptance of being on the path. But if you really play daily just these locations, then go back and improv, I'm sure you'll get somewhere to begin. Remember, it's not about who's fastest, who's smartest, who's most complicated. It's essentially trying to express yourself, and there is no other copy of you in the entire universe. So you are really invited to join the conversation. What I'll do now is I'll end by improvising on these 2 chords, single finger, really simple melodies. I hope this helps you. I'm sorry for the technical difficulties. Here it comes. Okay, this is it. You can play with me. Thank you for watching, guys. More to come. Bye bye.